back to my channel, Silent Peppers, and today I'm going to be mixing...
Slashy dance for me.
Sorry, I was running around the house.
I'm
I'm going to be mixing lotion into my slime. Sorry about that. Sam, be quiet! Please. Okay, so I'm going to get the lotion.
Which is right here.
So, yeah. Okay, so I know I've been posting a lot of videos about slime, but I like slime, okay? Deal with it. I'm just kidding, but still. My little brother's gonna be right here. Look, come here. Come here. There you are. Okay, cool. No. Sorry. He's gonna be sitting with me. Say hi. Hi. Okay. Don't leave. You wanna play with this? Stretch it with me. Look how soft it is.
Can I feel it?
Close it. And then pop the bubbles. Hey. Okay, so this is Logan. That's Sam. That's Riley. I'm the fourth child.
And I'm the first child.
Well, I wasn't born last, of course, but
And we're also going to do pie face tonight. With shaving cream, maybe?
no, we're not.
What if you actually
We're not going to go. Shh. Okay, so I'm gonna add more. And I'm gonna also
comment down below if she's
Yeah.
evil.
No, comment down below. # slime for life.
No, comment down below she's evil and I'll give
No.
you a shout out in my video.
I'm already gonna give shout outs today. I was about to tell you that when she interrupted me. So, haha. Comment down below #. Slime is amazing. If you do that, I will give you a shout out in my next video.
Shout out.
What?
Let's do this again.
Soon I'm going to be making a video about me mixing slimes. Because I will be doing that.
That hurt.
It's kind of clear. But I added lotion, so it's not that clear. Okay, so. Okay, actually, I'm going to be doing ASMR also. Okay, so I'm going to do ASMR right now. If you can be quiet, everyone.
What one are you? Oh my golly.
Yeah, I'm not doing ASMR because she won't be quiet. Please talk. Riley, please stop.
Okay, if you let me use your lotion.
She's going to be talking the whole entire video.
Ow! 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 Ow!
I'm just kidding. Okay, ASMR time. Sorry about my shirt also. Had a little mustard on it from lunch today at school. Okay. Sam, stop.
Welcome back to my channel.
Okay, so that was ASMR for the video. I'm just kidding. Okay, so now I'm going to be mixing some, oh, never mind. Now I'm going to be mixing some lotion like you've never seen that before. Woo!
Did you make the slime by yourself?
Yes.
Oh, I found it. No.
Yes, I'm only doing this slime today.
Logan, stop. It's not.
If you're in my class, you probably recognize this slime because I brought it to school one day.
Don't just use all the glue.
Be quiet. It's not glue. Sorry, that's how we chat.
And Sam, it's not even yours. It's not glue. Be quiet next time.
Sorry. Yeah, that's how we chat together. since we're brother and sister. How about you shush? I'm unplugging your iPad.
Logan, don't take my iPad. Keep it there.
I told him to take his iPad. No, you get it. You have it. Put it on the bed. Put it on the bed, Logan. My eyeball itches. My eyeball still itches. My eyeball still itches. It's itching like a freaking itch, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, that
Yeah.
makes total sense. Riley, come on, let's make a bubble. I'm gonna be.
You're mean. You didn't
I'm gonna-
apologize for even attacking me.
I apologize for even attacking you. Okay, come on.
Sincerely.
I'm sorry for attacking you. Okay, guys. So we're gonna make a bubble now. Okay.
We had a
Yes.
giant fight before this video.
Yeah, we did. Cause she ruined the first video I tried on doing this. Okay.
This is the ugly green slime.
This is a pretty green slime. Ready? We're not gonna exactly be making a bubble. We're just gonna be showing you. Oh wait, guys, we're gonna be making a bubble. We're just gonna do it downstairs. So we're gonna go downstairs, and I'll bring you with me, of course, if you want to see the
have
bubble.
somebody else to do a bubble with you.
Yeah. Okay.
No,
Let's
let's
go
go.
downstairs and make a bubble.
Logan.
Okay, guys, so we're going downstairs. It's pitch black right now because the light is not. But down here, the light is on in the kitchen. Okay, so
Make a big space
Don't
for
put it up
us.
there. Put it right there. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna see if you can see me and her.
3 of us do it.
Just me.
I got all 3.
Oh my
Put
God.
it right here against the dress. I mean the thing.
Okay.
Just hand it to me, please.
I'll hand it to her.
How about all 4 of us?
Okay.
3
No,
of us
go.
do it.
So I can hold it. Go. Okay, ready?
Then I'm sure
Oh, move.
using
Wait, scoot back so they can see.
form a bubble.
Guys, we're gonna be.
But they don't want to see us. They just want to see the bubble.
This was a waste of time. Don't take it personal.
It's ripping.
I don't think
Ripping.
it's good.
We have to redo it. It's ripped.
I know how
It sounds like a
Here's some ASMR.
Wait, do you want to do it on my purple slime?
like when the goblin
I have to do it.
See it when she goes get my purple
I'm gonna go-
slime.
Okay, guys, so we got the purple slime. Oh my gosh. Okay, we got the slime to turn the light on.
So I can actually see my musically. Okay. I'm just going to set it on the fast setting. Because it's the second slowest. Stop poking it. I need to get it.
Okay, get in.
This is how we're going to
Get
start
in
it.
the camera. Okay, guys, I know I was gonna be mixing lotion. I'm gonna be mixing lotion. ASMR.
A different one. Okay.
Okay, come on, come on. Hurry, hurry. Okay.
So we did really bad. Start off our slime.
I'm gonna turn off the TV. We usually do this though. Can you turn it down that off? Okay, it started. Hurry, hurry. Okay, guys. We're gonna try and make a bubble again.
I'll let you guys see the Musically.
Let me feel it.
Wait for it to load.
Okay, give me it. Good. I said. Okay, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Turn on post notifications. And bye. Mwah.